Hi everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz. I'm here planning for the week of September 28th through October 4th. So this year for October, I want to use Halloween kits for the entire month. So this is the first of them, which is called Witch Parade or Witch Parade Halloween by Victoria Thatcher. I think it's super cute, lots of fun, not super scary, but super cute. I also pulled some washi. These two are from AliExpress, and then these two are from Michael's, and then these three are from Dollar Tree, and then a couple from Amazon. So I've got a ton of washi just in case. The only ones I know for sure I'm going to use, I think, are all three of these, and I'm going to kind of scatter them to be the headers. They should be the right width for that. Bottom washi is already figured out. So I'm going to do those things, date cover, I'll fill in IO pen, all that good stuff. So I'm going to do all those things, and then I will come back to you to do the interesting bit. Alright, so my phone died just before I finished all that, but I'm sure you caught enough. It was not that interesting anyway. This black stuff is like vinyl, so that was kind of weird. Alright, so in terms of full boxes, I think I want to use this quote one as my quote box spot. Assuming that I can remove it successfully. So I had to take a break for an hour from filming. I'm gonna follow these black ones with the rest of these, so that I could actually charge my phone. Why are these all too tall? Whatever, I'm just gonna cover up a little bit, it'll be fine. Feels like a lot of work to trim them all down, to be honest. It's definitely not the spot I planned to put that guy. Anyway, so I had to stop, wait for my phone to charge so that I could keep filming, but we are back. This week overall is going to be really busy with work, so that's mostly all I'm going to get to do. So that's kind of a bummer, but I'll be fine. Get it done, all that good stuff. Otherwise, it's also Mid-Autumn Festival, and my mom's birthday, so a bunch of stuff going on, and nothing super crazy. Alright, so I'm just kind of spreading out the full boxes like I usually do, but they're scattered this time instead of all in the center like I've been doing the last a lot of weeks at this point. Nice to kind of mix things up a little bit. I'm very confused about why all these boxes are too tall. It's like they were made for the Happy Planner, almost. But why would they be for the Happy Planner? None of the rest of her kits are for the Happy Planner. whatever, it's fine. We're making it work. Alright, there we go. That's all the full boxes. Alright, so in terms of the sidebar, I did not even pull a habit tracker. It'll be fine. I don't really strictly need one. We'll manage just fine. This apparently did not cut out very well. I guess that's what happens. Alright. I kind of think I'm just going to stick it down and not even label what it is. It's fine. That'll be for my meals. I also pulled out this Happy Planner book. It's a seasonal one. And I figured I could pull something like Halloween themed. I have this like little ghost guy. Can't see him very well though. What if I can move this up a little bit? Let's take a strip of this washi down here. I'm just going to freehand cut it. It's pretty good, I think. Add anything else to this area. Maybe just a little star. Sure, that looks cute. Alright, that works. So in terms of putting in my work, I'm going to use these Creative Tavern Studio stickers. These are Aspen on a laptop. I'm just going to stick them at the top of each day. Sticking them in. Not very exciting, but you know, they're cute. Alright, that's done. Work is now marked. Up here, I want to stick in my plan with me. I guess I'll use one of these little half boxes. Maybe like right there. I want to use some seasonal stickers. I have a ton of them, and I hardly get to use them. Those really go though. Let's see what I have in here. Here's this guy. So this is old sticker from my shop. There we go. That's for my plan with me. That's all that's happening Monday. Tuesday, uneventful. Wednesday, I don't know, we'll see. Thursday. One thing going on is the Mid-Autumn Festival. Actually, so I was going to use one of those little half boxes, but maybe I will use a full box. And mark both the Mid-Autumn Festival and Deadlines at Work in the same one. So I'm just going to cut off the top so that it fits better. I feel like that might be helpful. There we go. That's like perfect now. Alright, so sticking that in. I'm going to use one of these, also from Creative Cavern Studio. That's going to mark the Mid-Autumn Festival. And then it's another like happy planner book. There were some tiny icons. I'm going to use this star right here. And I'm just going to mark my deadline that way. Alright, Friday, uneventful. Saturday, uneventful. Sunday is my mom's birthday. So I'm actually just going to mark it with this like cute little cat half box. Like so. Alright, there we go. Here is my pre-planning done currently. Not a lot going on. No, I don't know where. Oh, I found my pen. Alright, I'm going to fill in the things that I do know and then I will be right back. Alright, there we go. That is everything I have so far. Stick around for just a second and you can see the finished spread. Alright, here's the finished spread. I love how it turned out. Super colorful, super fun. So on the sidebar, these three are Happy Planner. This is some washi tape from AliExpress. The kits from Victoria Thatcher, I used up everything. So done with that. All of the headers are washi tape from Dollar Tree. These little cats working are from Creative Cavern Studio. That's a leftover from my shop. These are both Happy Planner. Another leftover from my shop. This is from the back of my Recollections planner. This is from AliExpress, Dollar Tree. That was a really tough day. Amazon washi tape. This is from Indian Planner Addict, a leftover. This is a leftover from Planner One Love. Plannerology Studio leftover. My shop leftover. Avalon and Ninth leftover. The stars from Happy Planner. This is from Plannerology Studio. This is another Creative Cavern Studio. Creative Cavern Studio, Dollar Tree, Piper Paper Company, Happy Planner. This one I'm not sure, it's just in my leftovers. And then these are both from Creative Cavern Studio. So overall, used a lot of different shops this week. Got to use a lot of different icons, character stickers, stuff like that. So that was lots of fun. As always, like and subscribe below if you haven't already. Let me know what kits you're using for Halloween, for fall, all of that good stuff. Follow me on Instagram at Creative Life of Liz to see in progress, finished spreads, all that good stuff. And until next time, bye!